Alright guys, welcome back. This is a build for Excalibur in the Trading Places category. So I decided to go with a blacksmith and make him brick built and ripped, as you can see. So I started with this character here. So it's a bit inspired by Eero Okkonen and his characters. So try to bulk him out a bit because I figured he spent all day in the blacksmith, so he should be kind of ripped. And then this sword that he's forging. So I went with a couple of different shades of yellow and then over to orange and red and finally dark gray to sort of simulate that the sword is very, very warm. So you got this big, I think it's Duplo barrel with some steam coming up. And back here you have the furnace, which is lit underneath. Some fun techniques with that one. Mixed in some fire pieces as well as some trans orange chains. Got some firewood down here. Some chains, because you know, it's a blacksmith. Chains are cool, I guess. And then here's a small little table using whips, which are just placed underneath. Got some Scala barrels. Got the rat peeking out here. And then you got the pillars, which used some side pillars as well. Just attached them up here. Give it a more cohesive look. And then for the roof, you know, just sort of simulate that, but still make it look kind of clean. I didn't want to build an entire roof because I kind of wanted to take, when I took the picture, I wanted sort of like this angle, and I thought the beams would look kind of cool. Got some other barrels and stuff back here. So for the walls, it's a bit rugged, a bit worn down. Some fun techniques for that with different plates, tiles, and stuff like that. I was pretty happy with this little candlelight. Pretty simple, but does what it's supposed to do. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.